Hello everyone. Stephen and I have been up for 3 days. We're flying back shortly and I thought I'd just do a quick walk around of the project just to give you a bit of an idea of where we're at. Unfortunately I have to go back because I've got stuff I have to do, but I'm coming back next week, I think another 2 days and I'll be done. Now, so first things, this light fitting up here, I know it's too tall, but I hate it. So I've actually just been to Beacon today and bought something different, a glass pendant on a rod, like comes from their mix and match section. And I think that will be a lot better because we've got glass here as well and it'll tie it in. Incidentally, the electrician's coming back to drop those down. I don't know what it is with electricians and lights being really high, but it's very annoying. But things are really coming together. One of the things that Stephen did is he installed the window dressings. So they're timber Venetians, white timber Venetians, and we bought these on special at Spotlight, and so we did the whole house for $900. However, I suspect that if we also included Stephen's normal hourly rate, that probably cost us thousands, but thankfully he's donated his time for free. One of the joys of being married to a renovator. So I've got a few bits and pieces so we borrowed this sofa. I was a bit concerned that it might be too big for the area, but it actually works really well. I'm really happy with it. Don't have the dining table yet, but I'll sort that out before I get here. But there's quite a few touch-ups the painter needs to do, so he'll be coming back. You can see that the skirtings haven't been done since the floors were done, and so he will be coming back to do those next week. Just into the kitchen, a few things left here. I bought a clock off Marketplace, which will be going up next week. I need to find a solution for this. Not really sure what's going on. It's a range hood, robin head range hood, but I'm not sure what was meant to be here. But I've been and bought some drawer fronts to see if that will solve the problem. But as you can see, so just need to get the kitchen guy to put an infill piece in. Gaps like that really detract from the quality of the install, so he's coming back tonight, so he'll do that. He also tiled the splashbacks, which they look great, and he's coming back to silicone tonight. Will we go down to the laundry? I'll just shut that for a minute. As the house is not completely powered up, we've had to boil the kettle down here, but the laundry is almost done. It needs a really good clean, but yeah, no, it's looking quite good. We've got a leftover cabinet, so we're thinking we might slot it in here because there's room to do that, and also to leave $600 for a washer. Oh, the porcelain sink is in. Unfortunately, because of the plumbing, the guy had to install it with the plug and waste to the front, which looks a bit odd, but you know what, I'm just going to live with that. There's some of the things that happen when you're managing remotely that when you get here it's already done, so it's either tell them to pull it all apart and you've got to decide is it worth that amount of angst. The toilet floor still has the old vinyl. I had the vinyl guys in because they're doing the front room, and I wanted them just to go straight over it, and they said no, they wouldn't, and that they're concerned that's asbestos. So I'm taking a bit home with me to have it tested, and if it's not asbestos, they will just rip it up and do it. So this is the smallest bedroom, which is still there. You can actually fit a double bed in here, yeah. So I've just got to sort a bed for this, and because we couldn't fit a standard size on this window in terms of the Venetians, I've got rods to put curtains, and I think I'll sort of make that a focal point of the room. So we'll arrange the room so that it looks like it's meant to be like that. Thanks for great camera work, Stephen. Next room is the bathroom. Still got some grubby little details here as well. The main one being down here, where our darling plumber decided he wouldn't chase the pipework into the wall. And like, if you're not here, they will take the path of least resistance. And it really, I just find it really frustrating. So you get back, and now, in order to get that, if I wanted to chase that now, we'd have to rip up half the tiles, and it's just not worth it. So my fantastic handyman, thank you Vivian Halliday, is going to sort that out for me tonight. We just got our new cabinet in. Stephen, this house is going to come with a year's supply of toilet paper, because Stephen is such a bargain shopper that he can't leave the shop without buying bulk. But that's okay. Everything else is looking nice. Yep, dirty but nice. This room is at the moment is our junk room. But we're just storing some things here. We've got a bed head. That's a double bed head. I've just got to find a double bed. I bought this rug from Spotlight this morning. I don't show the mess down there, Stephen. Let's hide that. And I've got a few cushions that I've borrowed, so we're sort of getting there. Then into the master. And this is a stunning room. I'm just so happy with it. And so we just threw the bed together just to see how, look, we had it on this side with the bed head, and we just decided that we would put it over this side so it's the first thing you see. And also it shows you the window seat. Now, I went to IKEA last night to buy fabric to cover the cushion that goes on the window seat. And annoyingly, IKEA have reduced their range of fabrics and they've got next to nothing. But I had a brainwave, and I bought a quilt cover in this gorgeous canton, and I'm going to cover that. And also, I borrowed these cushions, and I just, you know, necessity is the mother of all invention. So I borrowed cushions from my friend Michelle, and obviously they don't match. So we did a quick cushion cover. I'm just going to show you how to do it because it's really, really clever. So you push the cushion right to the bottom, and then you get your thing and you just envelope it in. So envelope it in so you've got nice square. Now if you want to be really fussy, you can get some stick-on Velcro dots to hold that closed, or even do a buttonhole. But you know what? Nobody's ever going to be handling that. So there you go. 2 cushions made in 2 seconds. Do you like that hack? I went to IKEA and bought these beautiful blue velvet European pillowcases and feather pillows for them to go on. So because we don't have a bed head in here, we do have a bed head, but it's under the bed because it comes up too high. And of course this was from the lovely Viv. So this room is just about there. I think I might move those cabinets somewhere else into one of the other bedrooms, but anyhow we'll work that out next time we're back. So all I've got to do is dress that seat, finish dressing the bed, and we're done with this room. Now out here. So this is the last frontier. So firstly, this carpet is coming up next week, and we're putting vinyl timber look flooring down. We bought this Freedom setting off Facebook Marketplace, but I bought it without actually going and looking at it, and I thought I could just wash the covers, but they are really yucky. So I'm pulling them off and I'm taking them home, and I'm going to dye them and bring them back, put some coloured cushions on them, put a rug on the floor and some palms, and this area will look lovely. I talked about the floor. The vinyl going down on the floor. Yeah, that's happening next week. And I need, oh, here it is. So this is the vinyl that's going down. You know, like if you're doing this reno for yourself, you totally rework this area because it's a bit ugly, but we're on a budget reno and it's a fantastic place for kids. You think on a rainy day, it's a massive area. I think it's about 30 square metres. So we just want to make it look as nice as we possibly can. We decided that our budget was going on the kitchen and the bathroom, and we needed to be frugal with everything else. Turf is not going in until Monday of next week now. New fencing, new driveway, and it'll all look just so much better. And so, if I come back for 2 days next week, I expect to be on the market by the end of next week. So, I'm excited. I hope you enjoyed the walk around.